Our friend looks sad today.
I'm free.
Let's bake a cake.
Our friend is sad today, oh dear. Her favorite bow has disappeared. Cricket smiles and says, don't cry. We'll bake a cake and joy will fly. Sopping was for milk and eggs. 3 red apples, don't forget. Ruby claps and shouts, hooray!
Flour,
Let's go shopping right away. Let's go shopping right away. We need flour, we need sugar, we need milk and eggs today. Count the apples, 1, 2, 3. Let's go shopping, come with me.
To the supermarket.
Doors slide open, bright and wide. Lights and colors side by side. Look, says Cricket, follow me. Learning words so easily. Ruby asks, what's this I see? Cricket smiles, it's apple, green and red you see. Toby counts them carefully. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Candy shines, oh what a sight. Ruby laughs with pure delight. Cricket says, let's think today.
milk, not candy.
We need milk, not candy.
We need milk.
Okay.
Let's go find
Milo
milk.
climb up on the shelf. Milo climbs up by himself. Be careful. Cricket calls below. Flour puffs like clouds of snow.
Climb,
Teamwork
climb,
time.
climb.
Ben is strong, he holds the bag. Ruby wipes the sugar drag. Toby checks the list once more. All done now, let's find the door. Learn together, milk and sugar. Apples too, learning words is fun to do. We work together, hand in hand. Teamwork power, isn't it grand? At the checkout! Thank you, we all say. We did our best in every way. Bags are full, our hearts are light. We did it, friends, we got it right. Cake of friendship. Apples, milk, sugar, flour. We baked a cake with friendship power. Squirrel smiles, her eyes so bright. Happiness returns tonight.
For you.
Smile together, laugh and sing. The best cakes made with friends we bring. Yeah, 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 yeah.
The best cake is made with friends.